If we look at the current Middle East tensions from a digital science perspective, the key issue is execution rather than structural demand weakness. The Middle East and Africa digital science market continues to be supported by long-term drivers such as infrastructure development, education investment, retail modernization, and broader digital transformation across public and commercial spaces. Those fundamentals remain intact. However, the current geopolitical environment is creating short-term disruption across logistics, installation schedules, and procurement timing. Because the region relies heavily on imported hardware from Asia, instability around major shipping and transportation routes is beginning to affect delivery timelines for HD signage, IFP touch displays, and LED products. Delays in shipping and installation scheduling are becoming more common, particularly for projects tied to fixed timeline or large infrastructure developments. The impact also varies by product category. HD signage is mainly seeing slower project execution and shipment delays, while IPP touch displays are exposed through education and corporate procurement cycles. LED projects remain more and most operationally sensitive because they require on-site assembly and calibration. At the same time, demand conditions are not weakening uniformly. Commercial segments such as retail and hospitality are becoming more cautious in the near term, but government, infrastructure, and mission critical environments continue to support display demand. Rising oil and logistics costs are also adding pressure across the display supply chain, affecting both LED and LED products. However, despite these short-term pressures, the broader market direction has not fundamentally changed. Overall, the current conflict is creating short-term volatility through logistics disruption, delayed project execution, and cautious investment sentiment. But at this stage, it will appear more cyclical than structural for the digital science industry. Get in touch with us.